Hey, it's Unfa. I'm working on my 3D portfolio because I'm looking for a job in game studios. I'm making game assets. And this here is a battle car I've been making in Blender for I think like 2 weeks now. And yeah, you might have been following the progress of this on Mastodon. I'm posting screenshots all the time whenever I work on it. It motivates me to push the work forward, and sometimes I get really useful comments and feedback from you guys. So yeah, this is the first video look at this project. On Mastodon you can see the screenshots from when this was just a single block, a misshaped cube, and now it's got all this little detail yeah, under the hood also, but that's not the focus really. I want to make sure that the whole body looks the best, and the insides, the stuff below and under the hood is really secondary. You can see there's a rocket launcher. I've made the rockets. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. Bye!